Hey, my name is Grinch. I ride with the Tuckahoe Motorcycle Club out of North Carolina. Want to do a video today on the top engine ticking sound that you can get in Harleys. And I know there's a variety of things from cam wear to the aluminum wearing out on the top of the rocker box, the actual arm piece. So I started researching all that stuff, and then I was like, man, this is a 2015 Road Glide Special, and it's got about 10,000 miles on it. And it got to the point where I knew that cams couldn't have worn out like that. I just didn't see that one happening. So what I did was I wanted to see, what everyone was talking about this aluminum wearing out. Well, to my surprise, I came over here, and you'll follow over here. I tore off the head where I identified the noise. Now, I was looking at it and I was like, okay, and underneath on the actual valve cover, I seen this little mark indentation right here, and it's got a little bit of indentation where I could tell something was hitting it. So, which pointed me to this guy right here. Now look, it's broke. That's my problem. So what I wanted to say was this: go through, do your research, and you'll see stuff and then identify it. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this guy out, the other 3 bolts. I'm gonna take it down to Harley, and I'm gonna go buy another one of these. But that's the problem. It's just riding too much. So, and it's not supposed to do that. So with that being said, that kind of concludes this video. Check us out at www.tuckahoemc.com. If you got any questions, hit me up. I'm going to do another video in regards to this and put it all back together, and my problem should be fixed. So again, thanks. If you have any questions, please hit me up and let me know. Have a good day.